There's a bird. And she take care of her eggs. Okay. Stay away from my eggs. Okay. We're not going to take your eggs. We see your eggs. Go sit. Okay, we're not going to take your eggs. We're not taking your eggs, okay? We see them. We're not taking them. We're not taking them. If I put my finger here, you're going to kick me out of it.
Fight you to get close to my eggs. I'll fight you.
Stay away from my eggs.
Yeah. The birdie?
Yeah, we're
my birdie eggs. Go to the birdie eggs. Fight you.
There's the eggs. Okay, she's going back in the eggs. Yeah, okay, we're just putting you on YouTube for gosh sake. Okay, all right. You better go sit down. Yeah, she's put the egg right underneath. Okay, she's sitting on that egg. Yeah, we see. Well, we see her, Kat. We got the egg. Okay. Don't go near my egg. Oh, look at her.
She doesn't want you to
She doesn't want you to touch her egg. She rushed him. Hey, get away from my egg. Okay, we're not going to take your eggs, okay? Just putting you on YouTube, that's all. It's just an American thing, okay? Get back on the eggs. It's just American. It's just American. Just going to put you on YouTube. You want to show your eggs. Okay. All right.
No!
What's this?
What's wrong?
Oh, dang!
The eggs. To see the eggs. Protected the eggs. Look out.
So cute.
Go back. Go back. Go get your eggs. Go get your eggs. Okay, come on. Hey, let's go, Karyl.
Okay. Let's go to I want to see if you got on the eggs again.
I don't want you guys.
No, we gotta go back to the same end of the beach.
There you go.
Sorry. Sorry, thanks for showing us. It's real warm. You got the other ones. Go get the other ones.
There you go. All right. Sit on the. Okay.
Okay.